Hey everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. And can we just talk about these gorgeous illuminated solar punch tin lanterns in 3 amazing patterns? Can we just talk about the fact that this is our palm and that everywhere you're looking around this beautiful surface, you can see that gorgeous glow, that laser etched detail that runs around the edges and completely encompasses the entire piece. It has a beautiful handle here, so you can actually hang this from a shepherd's hook, or you can go ahead and hang it in a tree. These are so stunning. Solar, as we mentioned right there at the top, and you're going to receive two of the palm. And then let's take a peek over here at this gorgeous star. How beautiful is this star? I love everything about the detail here. Like if you love our patriotic, if you love our Americana look, this is gonna be absolutely stunning. So again, you're going to receive 2. What's a Tara's must-have, by the way? It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And these are available at temp-tations.com. They're $24.95 and you get both. They're a beautiful black tin handle here on the top. Look at the illumination of all of the stars and how it dances and comes to life. So star, palm, and then your final choice is going to be that beautiful flower. Look how gorgeous this is. If you love sunflowers or old world flowers, all inspired by the beauty and the charm of everything outdoors. So whether you're picking up that beautiful palm or you're picking up, of course, the stars, they're absolutely stunning, and that gorgeous flower. So set of 2. We've never done anything like this before. Hang them in a tree, put them on a shepherd's hook, just leave them in the center of your table, and look how everything dances and comes to life. I'm actually swapping out the little solar panel because I didn't fully charge everything, but I wanted to show you again, look, whether it's your palm, I absolutely adore this. Whether it's, of course, that flower, look how stunning that is. Or last but not least, it's your stars. These are so beautiful. That's why we made it a Tara's must-have. Limited in quantities, beautiful laser etched detail that you see here with the warm glow of the color, and it literally dances over every surface. All right, you guys, this is why we made it a Tara's must-have. It is our solar edition, and you can check it out over at temp-tations.com.